Welcome to another AP Precalculus video. Today we'll be going over exponential functions. We'll be going over the equations, the graph, and rate of change. So let's dive straight into it. Our first equation is a standard form, which is y is equal to a times b to the power of x, where a is our initial amount, our starting value, and b is our ratio, growth, or decay factor. And it's a growth factor when b is greater than 1, and a decay factor when b is between 0 and 1. And a can never be equal to 0. Our next equation is a standard form with transformations, which is a times b to the power of x minus c plus d. And c is our horizontal shift and d is our vertical shift. So now let's try it. If we have 10 bacteria on day 1 and 30 bacteria on day 3, what is the exponential equation in standard form? Pause the video before I reveal the answer. The answer is 10 times 3 to the x, because on day 1 we have 10, our starting amount, and we multiply by 3 on day 2, so that's our ratio. Next, one key idea is a times b to the power of x minus c is equal to a times b to the power of negative c times b to the x. Or pretty much a horizontal shift is the same thing as a vertical dilation. So now let's try it. Find the equivalent expression of 5 times 3 to the power of 2x plus 2. Pause the video before I reveal the answer. The answer is 45 times 9 to the x. And you can do that by simplifying using exponential properties. And now let's move on to the graph. The graph is an exponential function. It's a curved line. Its y-intercept at 0, 5 and a second point at 1, 15. What is the equation of the graph? What is the horizontal asymptote, or where the graph approaches a value? Pause the video before I reveal the answer. The answers are 5 times 2 to the x and y is equal to 0 as the horizontal asymptote. And finally, rate of change. For an exponential function, this is the AP vocab needed. Over equal length input intervals, the output values are proportional. So let's dive deeper into that. What does equal length input intervals means? In simple terms, means every input is the same length. So for example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Next, output values are proportional. What does that mean? In simple terms, means every output is getting multiplied by a ratio. So for example, 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. And finally, here's a bonus question. Try it out, check if it's an exponential function. Pause the video. Answer can be found in the beginning of the video in the bottom right corner. If you have any questions, join the AP Students Discord and ask. And subscribe and follow. Find us on FileHer.org for more resources. And here's our YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram.